Sai Ram, welcome to your activity class. 5 little peas in a pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and did not stop until one day the pea pod popped. Today we are going to do activity of peeling the peas. This activity is helpful in keeping the little ones busy and also in teaching fine motor skills. It helps them to learn concentration. It also helps them to learn hand-eye coordination. Peas are most commonly green. Peas grow on long vines. They are cool weather crops. They can be eaten either fresh or frozen. It is used in making various dishes like matar paneer, pulao, and cutlet. Do you know why I am peeling the peas today? Because I want to eat pulao. Today we are going to do an activity of peeling the peas. For this you need 2 bowls and some peas. Take 2 bowls, one for keeping the peas and other for the skin. Peel one pea and separate it from the pod. Put some pressure on the joint, see like this, and pick out the pea one by one and put it in the bowl, see like this. Now place this skin in the other bowl. Again take a piece, press it on the joint, like this. What is the color of the shape? What is the shape of the piece? Yes, it is a circle. It is round in shape. Can you all tell me? See, you can see this line. You will place your finger on the line. You will put pressure and you will open it like this. See. Can you see the piece inside? Now, you will take one piece and you will put it in the bowl like this. See. See. And you will place the skin in the other bowl. What is the shape of the pea? Can you tell me? Yes, it is round in shape. And what is the color of the piece? Yes, it is green in color. And even the skin of the piece is green in color. Now, again you will take a piece. You will press your finger on the joint. Put pressure and remove it. Open it like this. See. See. You can see piece inside. You will again one by one you will remove it like this and put it in the bowl. See like this. And you will place the skin in the other bowl. Again you will do the same way. See like this. You will remove the piece, put it in the bowl one by one, slowly, and you will place this in the other bowl. See like this. You will put pressure on the joint of the piece. Remove one by one. Place it in the bowl and place it in the empty bowl again. See, like this. See, like this. Slowly, slowly. Again you will place your finger on the joint. See, you will, like this, you will remove all the piece, keep it in the bowl, and the skin you will keep it in the other bowl. See, like this. Again the same way. Slowly, slowly you will remove all the piece from the skin. The skin you will keep it in the bowl. See, like this. See. Children, now you have helped your mummy by peeling this piece. Now you can tell your mummy to make yummy pulao for you. Thank you.